How to fix Chrome crashing on Windows 10 or 11. Welcome back to our channel and let's get started. First of all, open up your File Explorer. Here, scroll below to your PC. Tap on this PC. Go to your local disk, which is in my case C. Go to Program Files and go to Google. Here you will see Chrome file. Tap it. Go to Application on the first option. Now you'll see your application named Chrome here. Rename this application. I'm gonna name this Chrome space 1 and enter. Now let's create its shortcut. Right tap the application and tap on Show More Options. You will see Create Shortcut just above Delete. Tap on Create Shortcut and tap on Yes. Now open your desktop and just like so you will see this shortcut here. Now every time you open Chrome you can tap it here and it will fix the crashing problem. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.